Hello everyone. Take the center portion of the hair, make a very small cut right in the center that comes up to the eye level. As for the sides, make a cut till the chin. Now moving outwards, moving inwards, begin to diagonally cut the hair as such and then proceed to make vertical cuts after you are done with the horizontal cut. Now, after you are done with one side, do the other as well. Take a hair straightener and then puff it out slightly in the center as such. Do the same for the other side so that it frames the face well. Take the center portion of the hair, add some paper underneath it and then comb the hair straight. Add another paper onto the other side of it and then bring it down as such and then this will help give it an even cut. Cut it at the eyebrow level. Now take two sticks and then burn it. After you burn it, put the hair through it and then slightly curve it outwards. You may also do this using a hair straightener. Now do it for the side as well after you are done doing it for the center. Do this on either side and it should give you a little puffy effect and add volume to the hair as such. Next, keep out the front portion of the hair, take a very small section from the center and then cut it at the eyebrow level. Take two more small sections on either side, cut it at the eye level. Take two more sections, cut it at the nose level and take another section, cut it at the level of the lips, followed by the chin and then the base of the neck. Now, once you are done with this, begin to make each section blend into the other by making diagonal cuts as such. Now on the other side, reverse the section of the diagonal cut. Do the same on the first side as well. Make vertical cuts to it all once you are done and then use a hair straightener in order to make it frame the face properly. This is the final pixie look. Next, start off by taking the hair in the front and then cut off a portion of it at the eye level. Next, cut off another section of it at the nose level and finally at the chin level. Now begin to make diagonal cuts to it to make each section blend into the next. After you are done with this, take a pair of scissors and a comb and then make vertical cuts into it accordingly. Do the same on the sides as well. After you have done with this, then take a hair straightener and then puff it out using the same. Do the same for the sides so that this will help to frame the face. You may also use your fingers to adjust the hair. Thank you for watching.